Hi, this is Healing Friends. Already protecting families and protecting the pack. Today we do a Bitcoin trading update on Bitmex and a small little update on the auto tuner since we're also trading on forward testing trading right now. All right, so currently I was on the long last night and took a little small profit here, but got wicked into a short position at this point around like midnight, I'd say, last night. And so right now we're at 10%. I still expect it to go up to 4,100 still, so we're gonna still anticipate that. I am still looking at the short-term part where it could just yank down. Also, if that does happen, I'm ready to take profit. If it does go up, I will then go ahead and cover and add to my position little by little, but because I expect a bigger here, I'm gonna double up on my position of 20,000 contracts at 4,100, and then after that expect it to come back down, which is kind of similar to the chart I had before. So let me show you that chart to kind of update us on our current situation on the long-term trend here. So let me show you here. There it is, 300 pump. So here, so we're still kind of here. I'd say this is, it's coming up here, and it's gonna sideways for a while, and it's gonna have one more push that's gonna exceed the previous high that was like 2 weeks ago. I think it hit about 4,050 or something like that. So I'm looking around 4,100 ish, maybe 4,200 before it starts to crank back down. So that's the pattern I'm following now, but there's gonna be short-term plays along the way that's been dragged out, and then we'll go from there. Now it is at a junction point where it could break out, and if it does, way to go for Bitcoin. If not, we'll still make money on the way down. So, all right. So just a little update here on the trading update. I was able to tune last night, and this is a complete tune. I did a demo, but then the video crashed, so I had to kind of re-record it. But this is from start to finish, from initial guesses to pushing it, and then massaging it all the way. So it came out with a 369% ROE. I went ahead and cloned it so that maybe I see if I can switch right there to crash on me. Let me go ahead and refresh it real quick. Alright, so yeah, we were able to back test this completely, and 369 was where it ended up with. Before, just kind of starting in the middle and with bad initial guesses, it was about 240% on my previous videos. 369 seems to be doing pretty good for a 2-week back test. So I went ahead and forward tested it. Let me show you the forward tested results for now. This is forward tested right now. Currently in position at 500 contracts, 16% current P&L, and we'll see where this ends up. So this negative 1%, that's like going in on a, I guess I had a limit order. I don't know what that should have been a positive at least, But I guess it's gotta guess that I'm gotta come out on a market order, but we'll see. Maybe this is something that Haas needs to probably look into. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But anyways, this is what it's currently going at on a forward tested simulated bot. So you want to take the settings. This is the settings here that I came up with. BB length of 71, dev up 2.3, dev down 1.66, RSI 19, RSI buy level 48, RSI sell level 121. Kind of interesting. MACD fast 60, MACD slow 3, MACD signal 56. I wasn't sure if there was an upper bound on this, but I thought 100% was the highest it can go. So we'll see what happens on this one. I don't know if it's actually going to ever sell, but maybe there's a indicator signal consensus, so only 2 signals has to agree in order for it to sell. So that could be why it can exceed that. All right, cool. Well, good. I went ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and clear this out. This was a 345% ROE back test in 2 weeks, so I'm gonna go ahead and clear it and start this off too to see if it gets any better too. So this looks a little more reasonable here. WMA, you want to look at the settings, you can go ahead and take that too. This is on a 10-minute interval. This is on a 15-minute interval. So those intervals are also important, so kind of take everything here. Okay, 500%. static 10-minute interval indicator signal consistent. This is taken off. Include current candle. 0 for safeties. 32 for Bollinger Band length. 2.13 for deb up. 1.8 for deb down. MA type WMA. No deviation. No check boxes here. 4 for RSI length. 53 for buy level. Sell level 91. MACD fast 20. MACD slow 80. MACD signal 3. Okay, so I haven't tested it yet, but I'm forward testing it now. See how it goes. If it goes well, I'll switch to a live wallet and see how that does. Kind of build up, kind of see how well it performs with the live wallet. All right, thank you guys. You guys interested in getting early access to a lifetime license for the auto tuner? Working on the Bitmex bot right now, and I haven't tested on Binance yet, but I think if you can do Bitmex, why do Binance? I don't know. That's up to you guys. But eventually, if there's a demand, then I will kind of transition it to Binance too. But I haven't really tested on Binance right now, since you can leverage on Bitmex. So I don't know. You don't really need that many coins anyway to make money. So kind of focus on a handful that will do well. If you guys want a lifetime license on that, I'm offering a pre-sale right now until I'm done with the UI and I release a preliminary one. That's when it's going to end, and that will go back to monthly. But for now, since I haven't released anything with the API version of this, you'll get a lifetime license to that, unlimited updates. You'll get access to Discord, the trainings that go along with that, and any other updates. I think I mentioned that goes on to it. Any feature requests that you have, you can definitely give that to me, and I can add to it. And it'll be, I'll put the BTC address below. It'll be $1,000 USD in BTC value. Send that to me with a email to support@fredsiron.com, and we'll add you to our list. And as soon as I'm kind of done wrapping up this UI, and you can actually enter the bot ID or the bot that you've created. You can tune it one time, watch it go through, and then put it through a live wallet on your own manually. And then once I add more features, like to automatically trade on it, then that will come as I update it too. Okay, so I'll do a very minimal pre-release, as in they call it the minimal viable product, so that you can get going on it, and I can build the rest over time as I continue to develop it, and as more users come on board. That'll help me support me to support the software over the long term. Once that's done and it's well-rounded and it's profitable and it's making money, there's also some other strategies too that I want to actually program and kind of bring in this thing called WebSocket with Bitmex, so you can pull in the live data, add some artificial intelligence to it with TensorFlow charts, so you could do pattern recognition, because that's what I do when I manually trade, is pattern recognition. But if you have our AI that can recognize these patterns and learn from the past and kind of see what's going on, and then make decisions based on patterns rather than indicators. I kind of don't like the way that the indicators are being used right now with like MACD and RSI and Bollinger Band, because I really don't use those. I trade mainly based on what the patterns I've seen. Then I kind of take a snapshot, put it in my notebook. If I remember those settings, then I will, like the chart that I show you, then that's what I'm looking for and what I anticipate to happen, and I'll set up my trades according to that, ladder up my sales, set up my templates, so as soon as they get in, can stop my loss and profit, take profit as it goes up, and then move my stop losses up. Those are the things that I would like to program in the future, and that would also add in this well-rounded auto tuner license too. So it'll all kind of be one big package there that I'll develop on this course. So you don't have to like, oh, I have a new one, yeah, you have to do another what's it called, lifetime license for that one. No, it's gonna be this well-rounded thing where everything I develop will be in it. Okay, thank you so much. Talk to you then. Bye.